Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add people on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your device and direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll notice a search bar positioned right at the top. This is your starting point for finding and connecting with new people on the platform. Go ahead and click on this search bar to activate it. Once the search bar is active, you can now type in the name of the person you want to add. Simply enter their name and the search function will start looking through Facebook's database to find matching profiles. This makes it incredibly easy to locate friends, colleagues, or anyone else you're trying to connect with on Messenger. After you've entered the name, you'll see search results appear below, showing profiles that match your query. Look through these results carefully to make sure you're selecting the right person, especially if it's a common name. Once you spot the correct profile, click on it to proceed to the next step. Clicking on their profile will immediately open a conversation window with that person. Now take a look just below their profile name at the top of the screen. You'll notice an Add Friend button displayed there. This button is essential because it sends them a friend request, which is necessary before you can fully connect and chat with them on Messenger. Go ahead and click on the Add Friend button. At this point, your friend request has been sent successfully. However, the process isn't quite complete yet. The person on the other end needs to accept your friend request before you can start messaging back and forth. They'll receive a notification about your request, and once they approve it, you'll be officially connected on Messenger and can begin your conversation. And that's it. You've successfully sent a friend request on Facebook Messenger, and you're now just waiting for them to accept. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.